students. I welcome you all into the online classes of SGUI. In the last class, we have discussed about the basic properties and the functions related to the rational numbers. Okay. Today, I'll be moving further and telling you some different properties, or you could say further kind of properties in that. In that property, the first number is standard form of rational numbers. Okay, we all know that P upon Q form of a number is termed to be rational number. Okay, P upon Q form of any number is termed to be as rational number. So what is this called? Standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number simply tells us that there should not be any common divisor between P and Q. That means P and Q should be co-prime to each other. That means it could only have one as a common factor. For example, if I am writing 9 upon 12, if tell me whether this is standard form of rational number or not. This is not standard form of rational number because 9 and 12 both has a common divisor 3. Okay. One more example. If I am saying 4 upon 9. Now this is a standard form of rational number because 4 and 9 both does not have any common divisor other than 1. So I hope you are very much clear with the concept of standard form of rational number. So today I will be starting with the exercise, that is exercise 1A. Question number 1 says express minus 64 upon 112 as a rational number with denominator 7. It says express minus 64 upon 112 as a rational number with denominator 7. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको बताना है कि ऐसा रेशनल नंबर इसको कन्वर्ट करना है उस ऐसे रेशनल नंबर में जिसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो 7 हो. दैट मीन्स हमें इस रेशनल नंबर को या अदर वर्ड्स में बोलें इस फ्रैक्शन को रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वही एक ऑप्शन है जिससे कि आप डिनोमिनेटर 7 पा सकते हैं. ओके, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 64 अपॉन 112. यहाँ क्लियरली आप देख पा रहे हैं कि 64 और 112 दोनों कैसी डिजिट्स हैं? इवन डिजिट्स हैं, तो आप 2 से रिड्यूस कर सकते हो. सिमिलरली आप चाहो तो डायरेक्टली 4 से डिवाइड करो बिकॉज 64 इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 4 एंड दिस 112 इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 4. सो आई एम डिवाइडिंग बोथ द डिजिट्स विद 4. इट विल गिव अस 4 ones are 4 and 4 8s are 24. Okay, so 4 6 are 24. Okay, it will be 16. Now dividing 112 with 4, it will give us 4 2s are 8 and further 3 and 32, that is 4 8s are 32. So it is reduced to 16 upon 28. We can further reduce it. This 28 and 16 can again be divided with 4. It will give us 4 4s are 16, that is minus 4, and 4 7s are 28. So it has given us minus 4 upon 7, which is our required answer. This was only asked that obtain or express this rational number in the form of rational number with the denominator 7. So this minus 4 upon 7 will be your answer. Question number 2 also says the same. Question number 3 is express the numbers into the standard form. I have already told you how to express the numbers into the standard form. In question number 4 it says compare the following pairs of rational number. This I am going to tell you. In question number 4 it says compare the rational numbers. कंपेयर करने का मतलब क्या? आपको बताना है कौन सा फ्रैक्शन, कौन सा रैशनल नंबर बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है. तो इट्स वेरी इजी. इट सेज 15 upon 32 and 17 upon 24. Okay, it says 15 upon 32 and 17 upon 24. You have to tell whether this rational number is greater or this one is greater. For this I have already told you a property that is called the property of cross multiplication. ठीक है, उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? लिखेंगे 15 upon 32. Here you will write 17 upon 24. Okay, and then you will cross multiply the terms. ये तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. ठीक है, इधर यू कैन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई द थिंग्स, और अगर ये वैल्यू इधर वाली वैल्यू से बड़ी आती है तो दिस फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विल बी ग्रेटर, एंड इफ दिस वैल्यू विल बी ग्रेटर देन दिस फ्रैक्शन विल बी ग्रेटर। और एक और ऑप्शन है, आप एक और तरीके से इसको कर सकते हो, दैट इज बाय टेकिंग द एलसीएम ऑफ बोथ ऑफ दीज नंबर्स। तो टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 32 and 24, 32 and 24, it will give us 16, here 12, then 8, then 6, then 4, then 3, then 2, 3. The LCM of these two numbers will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 3 2 is 6, 2 is 12, 2 is 24, 2 is 48, 2 is 96. So LCM will be 96. So what we will doing, we will be making this 96 and this also as 96. Okay, so we will be writing 15 upon 32, and here we will be writing 17 upon 24. और 32 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 96 को 3 से करेंगे, और अगर डिनोमिनेटर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, सिमिलरली अगर 24 को आपको 96 बनाना है तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे इसको भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। तो दिस विल बी 45 upon 96, okay, and this will be, this is 17, right? This will be 68 upon 96. This will be 68 upon 96. तो आप क्लियरली देख पा रहे हो कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो न्यूमरेटर कंपेयर करेंगे तो this 68 upon 96 is greater than 45 upon 96. From this we can conclude that this fraction is greater than this fraction. You could say this rational number is greater than the first rational number. Okay, that's all for today. We will be discussing the next question in our next class. Thank you.